Hi, I'm Andy Sava, the Garage Inspector, and after 26 years of running successful workshop businesses, I'm here to shine some light on why you should always use high quality workshop lamps during your daily work. When you're working on your customers' cars, you can't afford to make any mistakes. For this, you need good and reliable light, focused on the right area. The entire range of Philips professional workshop lighting is equipped with high quality LEDs for bright and a comfortable light. So, what do you need most out of a workshop light? Well, firstly, great light output. And with the high quality LEDs in Philips workshop lamps, you have the best light output you can get. The Philips workshop lamps, unlike some others in the market, produce a natural bright white light, which is very comfortable for your eyes. So you can work as long as you like without straining your eyes and becoming tired as a result. The three latest models even have dimmable lights with a memory option, so simply push the button to adjust the brightness of your work lamp. You can increase or decrease the light to your needs, and the lamp will remember your last setting. Most of the Philips workshop lamps have integrated spotlight at the top for quick checks or to highlight specific items. These workshop lamps give you the opportunity to work for a long time without having to stop to recharge them. In fact, a fully charged Philips workshop lamp can last up to 12 hours, allowing you to work a full day without any interruptions. When it's needed, lamp recharging is very quick. Philips workshop lamps are designed for professional use. They need to be extremely robust, flexible, and they are. Philips workshop lamps are highly resistant to dust, oil, water, and shocks. Check out their IP and IK ratings. Strong magnets and integrated hooks make sure you can mount them and use them wherever you like, enabling you to use both your hands. Technicians will have a variety of jobs to do on a vehicle, and Philips workshop lamps have specific models for even those tricky jobs, from the pen light for quick inspections to the smaller model for head use, as well as other robust handheld models for routine work. The Philips range also includes projectors if you need more light. There's even a modular system with extremely bright white light to give you the effect of working in daylight, while also allowing you to illuminate several different spots at the same time. See better, work better. That's what Philips professional workshop lamps offer you. For an overview of the complete workshop range, please check out the Philips website www.philips.co.uk or contact your Philips distributor for full details, advice and ordering. Here's to safer motoring for your customers and a more profitable business for you.